Welcome to Sitaro Ki Duniya. Certain features in your external environment can affect positively or negatively on the Vastu of your building. The location of a road and open space are a highly important consideration in Vastu analysis. Let us examine how the road and surrounding affect the fortune of the site owner. Let's talk about T-junction. The situation when a house faces a T-junction, it is like a gun being pointed straight at the house. The T-junction acts like a funnel, drawing negative energies towards the house. According to Vastu expert, it like a bullet projecting the house with harmful energy. People staying in such houses are always in trouble. The Vastu effects. The occupant of such a house could suffer from poor health and may be accident prone. Business premises located at T junction will face instability. Many business houses located at the T junction has closed down in a very short period of time. So what are the corrections or remedies for T junction properties? If possible, reposition the front door or gate so that it does not directly face the road running up to it. Create a low fence or a hedge should be built with a gate as a barrier to negative energies. Install Vastu copper strip on a T-junction plot. This acts as a virtual partition to cut off the energies. Let's talk about the location of the road. Building or plot having a road at east or north, overall it gives the prosperity. Building or plot having a road at south is not good. Also, a building or a plot having a road at west is average by result. If there are two roads surrounding the premise, roads at north and east gives the good prosperity. The road at east and south road good for females. Roads at south and west are average. The road at west and north are good. Road at north and south gives the average result. Plot having 4 side roads are best plot. Also, the plot located at a dead end is highly dangerous. Let me introduce a term Vidhi Shula. Vidhi Shula means dead end road or road ending. Is said to occur when roads approach the site. Some of these are considered bad while others don't matter much. There are 4 prime road approaches which are considered to be highly positive, and there are other 4 approaches which are considered to be highly negative. The road approaching from northeast of east is considered to be a very good situation because it gives name, fame and also prosperity to the owner of the house or plot. Any road coming from the northeast of north is also considered highly auspicious. It gives better and excellent prosperity and financial soundness to the owner. As the availability of these plots is rare, they should be bought whenever found. Also, it is the best choice for investors. The road from northwest of the west is good as it offers excellent business propositions, more contacts, better friendships, relations, and also satisfies political aspirations. Ladies will flourish and all around happiness is present in such premises or plots. The road approach from southeast of south is also auspicious. It brings good luck in finance and offers excellent financial status for the owner. A lane from southeast of east may cause financial misery and legal problems. It also creates a health issue for female family members. The road coming from southwest of west is an invitation to bad luck. Such a location should be avoided under any circumstances. A lane approaching from the southwest of the south brings serious and bad luck and loss of health. It is highly inauspicious. A road approaching from the northwest of the north may result in instability in business as well as income. So what are the correction and remedies? You can use copper pyramid partition strips for defect related to the road toward the south. Rectify defects related to the road towards the south by using a lead metal pyramid. Bham yantra, wooden vastu strip, crystal strip, and also a lead metal blocks can be used. You can use brass pyramid partition strip for defect related to road towards north and west. These are certain situations anybody can face if they are living in T-junction house. If you have a specific question, don't hesitate to reach me. You can send me a text or you can comment down below. If you like this video, like it, subscribe my video channel and share the video. Thank you for watching Sitaron Ki Duniya.